Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best turkey brine is probably one of the most effective ways to guarantee a juicy and flavorful Thanksgiving turkey. This simple yet transformative process involves submerging your turkey in a carefully crafted saltwater solution, infusing it with moisture and seasoning from the inside out. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, mastering the art of brining is a game changer for your holiday feast. Number 5. Fire and Flavor Turkey Brine Kit. Want the best tasting turkey? This kit makes it easy. In just 5 simple steps, you can achieve a flavorful and tender result. This brine uses a classic combination of herbs and spices. It's a crowd pleaser for any gathering, maximizing flavor with minimal effort. The kit comes with everything except the turkey. It includes the brine mix, a large brining bag, detailed instructions, and recipes to get you started. This kit is versatile, suitable for turkeys up to 25 pounds. You can roast, grill, smoke, or fry the bird. It simplifies the cooking process. Fire and Flavor is dedicated to providing delicious cooking solutions. From the fire to the flavor, it helps you create mouth-watering results. What we like? This kit offers a classic herb flavor profile, perfect for a traditional turkey experience. It includes everything you need, making the brining process simple and convenient. If you are looking for a hassle-free way to achieve a delicious, crowd-pleasing turkey, this is a great choice. What people say. The turkey was incredibly moist and flavorful. The brine solution was easy to use. The turkey was perfectly seasoned throughout. Number 4. Urban Accents Gourmet Gobbler Turkey Brine Kit. This kit is designed to help you create the perfect turkey. It includes a spiced brine blend, a smoky peppercorn turkey rub, a BPA-free brine bag, and easy-to-follow instructions. The included brine bag is both BPA-free and biodegradable, making it a safe and environmentally friendly choice for your cooking needs. You can use this kit to brine a turkey up to 24 pounds. It's perfect for Thanksgiving, or any time you want a delicious, flavorful bird. Not just for turkeys, it's also great for chickens and quails. This versatile kit will elevate your poultry game. This product is part of the Stonewall Kitchen family, known for award-winning gourmet foods and home goods. They offer a wide range of products loved around the world. Stonewall Kitchen started in 1991 and has grown into a family of lifestyle brands. They use premium ingredients and have decades of experience in creating specialty foods and fine home living products. What we like? This kit comes with a BPA-free bag and step-by-step instructions, ensuring a safe and easy brining experience. It's not just for turkey, it can also be used for chicken and quails. If you are a first-time turkey roaster or want a versatile brining solution, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. Having everything, brine, bag, and seasoning in one package made it so easy. The spiced brine blend and smoky peppercorn turkey rub imparted a rich and flavorful taste that had my guests raving about the turkey all night. The heavy-duty BPA-free brine bag is not only environmentally friendly but also spacious enough to accommodate a sizable 24-pound bird. Number 3. Rodelle Turkey Brine Gourmet Spice Blend, 25 ounces. Are you ready to take your holiday turkey to the next level? This gourmet spice blend is made with the finest ingredients. It will transform your turkey from good to absolutely amazing. This brine is crafted with only the best, most wholesome ingredients. It's designed to enhance the natural flavors of your turkey. You'll taste the difference in every bite. This product makes it easy to achieve a perfectly seasoned and flavorful turkey. It ensures a moist and delicious result every time. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. Make your holiday gatherings unforgettable with this special blend. It's the secret to a truly memorable turkey. Your family and friends will love it. Choose Rodelle for a gourmet experience. It's the perfect way to create a delicious and impressive turkey. It's a simple step for extraordinary results. What we like? This brine is made with gourmet spice blend, promising to elevate your turkey from good to great. It uses the finest, wholesome ingredients. If you like a turkey with a rich and enhanced flavor profile, you should consider this. What people say. The turkey was incredibly moist and flavorful. The brine solution was easy to use. The turkey was perfectly seasoned throughout. Number 2. Brining Bag 26x22 2-pack. This brining bag features double track zippers, ensuring a tight seal without any leaks. It comes with strings and larger clips for dual protection, preventing the bag from expanding or spilling due to the weight of the liquid. Made from heavy-duty, BPA-free material, this bag is built to last. Its 125 micron density is significantly more robust than others, ensuring it can securely hold both food and liquid. Thick seams add an extra layer of protection against any potential leaks or tears. These extra-large bags can accommodate up to 35 pounds of turkey, with plenty of space for both the turkey and the brine. The widened bottom further increases its capacity, making it perfect for Thanksgiving or any holiday feast. Compared to traditional methods, this brining bag is incredibly easy to use, avoiding kitchen messes. Simply place your turkey inside, add the brine, remove the air, and seal it with the clasp. Then, secure it with the provided strings. These bags are not just for turkey, they're also ideal for marinating shrimp, beef, or pork. Built with food-grade materials, they're a versatile solution for all your brining and marinating needs. What we like. These extra-large, durable bags are designed for easy use and can accommodate large turkeys. They are made of heavy-duty, BPA-free materials, ensuring no leaks or tears. If you need a reliable and spacious bag for brining your turkey or other meats, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The brining bag is absolutely perfect for brining a turkey before smoking it. It's large enough to easily fit even a big bird, allowing the brine to work its magic evenly throughout. The bag is sturdy and holds everything in place without leaking, which is a huge plus. Works great, large and thick bags, no leakage, easy to use and held a lot of brining liquid with ice water. Number 1. Kosmos Q Turkey Brine Soak. This brine base features brown sugar for sweetness and Worcestershire powder for a savory touch. It also includes garlic, onion, and pepper for a balanced taste. It enhances the natural flavor of your turkey. This mix helps meat retain moisture during cooking. The salt concentration helps the meat absorb liquid, keeping it juicy. It ensures tender slices every time. Simply stir the dry brine into cold water and submerge your bird. Rinse and air dry before cooking. It dissolves quickly, providing convenience for any meal. This versatile brine complements chicken, pork, shrimp, and vegetables. It's a great addition to your barbecue arsenal, perfect for experimenting with flavors. Developed and refined through competition, this recipe delivers reliable flavor. You can count on it whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook. What we like. This brine mix features a balanced blend of brown sugar, Worcestershire, and spices, enhancing both flavor and moisture. It's easy to prepare, making it convenient for any cook. If you are looking for a turkey with a balanced, savory sweet flavor and want to ensure it stays juicy, this is a great option. What people say. Perfect turkey brine is easy to use. The turkey was very flavorful and juicy. The brine solution is well balanced. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.